Hey, John Disla here. Today I'll be creating a GitHub repo. GitHub is a great resource for developers, especially if you're working in groups. It allows for version control, things like that, where you can work in separate files. You can do work apart from others and have no conflicts or have conflict control. So here I'm going to go to my GitHub account. I'm going to create a new GitHub repo. This will be called mobile dash. Give it a description here. It's optional, as you can see. So um, responsive mobile dashboard. I'll leave it as a public repo because I want people to be able to see it. You can make it private. I think you have to do like some kind of password protection for that, I believe. Initialize it with their README. READMEs are great. There's good READMEs and bad READMEs. You can research that. But it's good to give people that go in there and look at your repo instructions as to how to use your program. If you're developing a program, or if you have some kind of extension for JavaScript, there's a lot of different repos that you can do, and sometimes they need to be explained to the users. And so here we are going to choose. I'm going to do MIT. I just been told or taught to use MIT always on that. And then here initialize with a README, and then we don't need a git ignore. And now let's just create it. Okay, now we have the repo made. If you want to delete the repo, go to settings. After going to settings, scroll all the way down to this red zone here, danger zone. Delete the repository. You'll have to write the name, type the name of it. I understand the consequences of deleting the repository. And your repository was successfully deleted. Thank you for watching.